Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I just wanted to do a short video on how you would open the boot in order to charge the car if the car doesn't start. So first we shall start by coming out of the car, and the remote fob doesn't work, nothing, and if I put this into the ignition we have nothing is working. So the problem we have is that the battery lives in the boot of the A2, underneath the boot floor. In order to open the boot, we need battery. The remote locking doesn't work because it's electronic. It can't get into the boot. So, Audi very cleverly put a mechanism into the back of the car. Fold the back seats down. Let's assume that you've used the key to unlock the car, then unlock the back of the car, then come into the back of the car, and then find this. This here is the key to doing this. Take your key, you insert it in there, and you pop it up. Once you've popped it up, you pull it out, and you pull it, and you'll find that you can push the boot. You should find that the boot is now open, and you can get into the car. And from here, you can get underneath the false boot floor, and you can get underneath the floor and get to the battery terminals and put the battery on charge. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this video and hope it's been useful, and I'll see you in the next one.